To perform factory reset on Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus 5G, you have to start by opening settings, then you have to navigate into About Phone, then scroll all the way down and move into factory reset. Now, as you can see, you are gonna erase following items, so basically almost everything. Before you perform this reset, I can highly recommend you to remove your SIM cards from your phone and back up all of your data. Then you can just scroll and tap to erase all data. You have to input your screen lock. Then you can back up right now or perform the factory reset. You can also clear eSIM data right now or keep it. That's your choice. And now you will get these two screens with this attention information, and you will have to click next after 10 seconds. There we go. And now to confirm, click next. Click OK one more time. Then your phone will be turned off and the reset will start. After reset will be complete, then your smartphone will be turned on automatically and you will be able to set up this phone one more time.